Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dry plate on the Auger in a Frigidaire refrigerator. The dry plate on the Auger connects the motor to the Auger itself and allows it to turn and push ice through the dispenser. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's get our tools together. Today we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a mallet. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or switching the breaker off, as well as turning off its water supply before doing any work on it. The Auger dry plate is on the end of the Auger motor and connects with the bin to drive the ice out. If the Auger dry plate is stripped and spinning freely, then ice can't dispense from the fridge. To get to the dry plate on the Auger, we need to access the Auger motor. Let's access the Auger motor by opening the freezer door and sliding the ice bin out. At the bottom of the Auger housing, you're going to see 2 1/4-inch screws that you'll need to remove. You'll need to lift the Auger housing up and off the rail. Now disconnect the wire connector in the back, then pull it out and set it on a table. You also need to remove the Auger dry blade. You can use a mallet to do this and tap the Auger blade to knock it off. Now you can screw on the new drive plate and tighten it with the mallet. Now we need to reconnect the wire connector at the back of the housing. Put the housing for the Auger assembly into place and install the screws to hold it. Once you have the screws in the right spots, you're going to put the ice bin back in and you're done. Don't forget to plug your fridge back in or flip the circuit breaker back on, as well as turning the water back on. You made it. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new dry plate yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. If you thought this video was helpful and want to see more like it, hit those like and subscribe buttons. We appreciate you watching and look forward to helping you with all your appliance repair needs. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.